I needed to come back to do this bit because wow, you needed to see this, guys. Hello gorgeous, I hope you're having a fantastic day. This video, another first impressions review. The whole brand is new to me, not only like one or two products, everything. The brand, the products, everything we're gonna see today. I'll see it for the first time. Haven't unpacked anything yet, so it's gonna be a super fresh first impression today. So the brand we're talking about is the Body Collection England. So it's vegan and cruelty free as all the products that I've been using for the last couple of years. We have the Body Collection England, the Midnight Eyeshadow Palette. So far what I see, we got some mattes, we got some shimmers. Okay, let's just go with this one. Feels extremely creamy, you guys. Wow. Ooh. I wasn't expecting that. Shimmers. I think it's pressed pigment as well because of the texture of it. Once again, extremely creamy. Not really sure where I'm switching it. Let's see the color payoff. Okay, not bad, not powdery. Okay, so other things that we have in here is the setting spray, illuminating primer, lightweight, rich skin feel, suitable for all skin tones, long-lasting, high coverage, semi-matte finish, exceptional wear foundation. So I got in the color light beige and the color ECRU, the matte bronzer in color light medium, the liquid illuminator in a color pink. So the Body Collection illuminating under eye concealer, the plumping lip gloss. Ooh, I'm very intrigued by this plumping in color Eau Naturelle. Lengthening mascara, love the sound of it, love a lengthening mascara. Last thing I have in here is another lippy. I love a good lippy. So once again, nude collection lipstick. This time is in the shade Seduction, which looks a very nice nude. Alright, so I'm gonna start from the eyes. As I always start my makeup from the eyes. We don't have any brow product in here, hence I have my brows done already. I use a So Brow today by Revolution for this. And then NYX Lift and Snatch in Espresso. I can do a little tutorial if you guys would want me to. Let's start from the Midnight Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm gonna start with this nice warm brown shade. I'm using the Universal Base Brush by Be Beauty. I'm gonna do my usual C shape out the corner, blend a bit upwards. So I'm just gonna use my finger for this purple shade. I'm gonna go all over my mobile lid. And later I'm gonna use a brush to blend this through. Using the same brush I used before to blend the edges. So it's nice and soft. So next thing what I'm doing, I'm gonna take the eyeliner brush and I'm gonna spray it with the setting spray we have so we can create the eyeliner using the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna take the eyeliner and brows brush by Be Beauty. Gonna spray with this. Oh, it smells so nice. Okay, so it's wet. I'm gonna dip into this like a dark gray shade. This is not really black. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with it, I'm just gonna go like with the eyeliner. Super easy to use brush. As you've seen, one swipe, done. Mascara is called a lengthening mascara in the color black. Ooh, love the silicone band. So we have bristles like shorter from one side, longer from another side. This looks very promising. Let's try. I like how it separates each lash. I'll touch my eyelid, don't worry. I'm gonna clean this off. Later when it's dry, we're just gonna scrub it off. Like flake it off with the spoolie. Disappointed. I had very big expectations for it. Like, I'm a sucker for the silicone brush. This is a no for me. As always, I'm extremely honest. You probably know this, guys, already. If I say something doesn't work for me, it might work for you. Who knows? But disappointed. So we're just gonna put this aside, and to save this look, I'm gonna apply the lashes Elsie by Lisa. I was filming and my camera turned off in some points. I'm not sure what I filmed, but what I just done, I mean I have on my face, I took this Body Collection Illuminating Primer Lightweight Rich Skin Feel Primer. So I'm just applying this on right now. I'm not sure why my camera turned off. Absorbs to the skin quite fast actually. So it says it's illuminating. So we're gonna see how it's gonna look on so far. Feels very nice on the skin. Has a very fresh scented, like I'm not really fan of any scent in my makeup or cosmetics, but this is not irritating or anything like that. So okay, for foundation we got two shades. We got light beige and then ECRU. I'm not sure if that's supposed to mean anything. I'm gonna go for light beige, so I'm gonna use the flathead foundation brush by Beauty. I used it yesterday, hence it's dirty, so forgive me. Ooh, wow, okay, weird. It feels like a cream rather than the foundation. I mean, the way it glides on and everything. I think it might be too light for me. Oh, if not, we're gonna contour a bit more. I'm gonna make it match, don't worry. Oh, so far, I don't know. It's just because I'm so used to like full-on coverage foundation, and this one just feels very, very, very like a moisturizer. That's a texture. If that makes any sense. It doesn't feel like foundation, it feels like a moisturizer. It says on that it's a high coverage. High coverage? Yeah, I guess so. Do you think it's a high coverage? Alright, so foundation is actually looking very nice once it blended through. Okay, the concealer, but one we have is Illuminating Under Eye Concealer in the color Light. Okay, I'm just gonna dot a bit. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna use the same brush to blend. Just gonna tap on. Blends very easy actually, but coverage is good. Okay. The color might be good as well. Concealer is actually a winner so far. Alright, so I just noticed but we don't have any setting powder, so I just did this off camera. I used the Cosmetics by Force translucent setting powder. So we have this bronzing powder that they call the matte bronzer in a light medium. The contour brush by Beauty. Let's just see how pigmented it is actually. Oh, whew. Okay. So looks like a tiny bit will go a long way. Let's apply this. Ooh, okay. I like that it's matte, so it's perfect for contouring. This is bronzer, but because it's a matte sheet and not, you know, shimmer, it's perfect for your contour. Gonna use Precision Contour Brush by Beauty. Alright, as you see, I applied a bit of a blush off camera just because I don't have any blush in this collection, nor I have a shade in this eyeshadow palette we used, but I could use as a blush. Let's use the highlighter that we have in here. This one is Liquid Illuminator in the shade Pink. Oh, love this. Okay, love a shade. Looks very natural. I'm just gonna use a bit on the hand and then I'm gonna dot with my ring finger. Just a tiny bit. Finish off the eyes. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the crease blend brush and I'll go a bit dark. I think I'm just gonna take this shade in here and go all over lower lid, go lower lash line. Alright, so before I'm gonna apply the mascara, I actually want to add a bit of the waterline color. So I'm gonna use a LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner, neon eyeliner in the color Vivid. Let's add a bit of the inner eye corner highlighter. I'm gonna use the Precision Detail brush by Be Beauty for that. I'm gonna take my shade, inner eye corner, on the brow arch. Didn't expect that. I'm gonna use quickly a setting spray, the same one that we used before. So it's just called setting spray, it doesn't have any other name, doesn't say anything else. Smells super fresh. It's like when you just take a shower. Mascara for the lash line. I think this mascara is perfect for the lower lash line because it kind of applies a very thin layer of mascara and the brush itself is very tiny. So this is like a lower lash mascara. Because for lashes, I was a bit disappointed. Like I was expecting better. We have two lippies. I have the plumping gloss. Let's start from that. We try both. Or shall we start from the lipstick and then we apply plumping gloss on the top? Let's do that better. Okay, so the lipstick is Nude Collection Lipstick in Seduction. A beautiful shade. Let's apply on. Oh, very creamy. More like a buttery creamy. Can't smell anything. No smell at all. That's good. Okay, love the color. Let's see the plumping gloss. Okay, let's just top this lippy up with this. Oh, I like the combo of two. Smells, I don't know what it reminds me of. It has a smell. Minty. Oh yeah, very minty. I'm gonna wait 2 minutes and then I'll come back to use. Oh no, it started stinging. Okay. It is a plumping gloss. Definitely feels stinging sensation now. What I really want to do, I don't have a product from this brand. I'm gonna use the different brand and I'm gonna do the Fox Freckles because I'm just obsessed with that at the moment. So this is the Ere Perez Argan Brow Hero. That's a makeup look complete. What you guys think? I'm always honest with you guys and I'll say what doesn't work with me because I'm here to test this for you so you don't waste your money on the products that just doesn't worth it. And in my opinion, some products don't. I'm sorry to disappoint if you're disappointed, but starting with eyeshadow palette, the pressed pigment, very pigmented, very easy to use. As you see, the color payoff is there. Good product. Primer, definitely illuminating. The foundation, I mean, it didn't work, it did covered. It says it has a high coverage. It does have a high coverage, but I just didn't like it. The texture is just not for me, for that reason. Nothing's wrong with foundation, it's just not what I prefer the foundation texture to be. If you want a very liquidy kind of foundation, then this is the one for you. If you like me like more creamy texture foundation, then this is not for you. But illuminating highlighter, love this. Definitely would recommend. The bronzing powder, once again, love this because this is perfect for contouring. It looks very natural, as you see. The shade is perfect as well. I use the light medium. The setting spray, I mean, I would need to wear my makeup all day to see if it's very setting or no. Perfect for making the brush wet for, like, you know, creating the eyeliner from the eyeshadow. For that, it definitely worked. Highlighter, oh my god, highlighter drops. That's a product you want to get for sure because it just gives this supernatural glow. You see? It doesn't even look like highlight, it just looks very like glass skin kind of thing. The mascara, I'm disappointed about it. Felt like it wasn't sticking on my lashes properly, so... The cream lipstick, extremely moisturizing, felt more like a chapstick rather than a lipstick, but it's packed with pigment. Yeah, good product, can't say anything bad. Plumping gloss, Absolutely love it. We'll be definitely using that. Love the shade, love that it has shade, love that it's plumping. So as always, with trying any new brand, some products are a hit, some products are a miss. I said which ones I like, I said which didn't really work for me. I hope you guys appreciate my honest opinion. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this, you found this helpful. Leave a comment down below, let me know if I should do more first impressions brand review and what you'd like to see next on my channel, and I shall see you very soon. If you enjoyed watching this, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more super important part, and yeah, have a fantastic day. I shall see you soon. Bye! Alright you guys, natural daylight, 5 hours of wear. Love it! Like I said, I don't like this foundation. I take my words back completely. I mean, I hope camera transfers through what I see, because in the natural light, in the daylight, the 5 hours of wear. Guys, can you see this? Can you see this? Thumbs up for me for sure. For the foundation, and I think a primer probably gives this luminous look because it looks very like glowing, not in a bad way. I mean, okay, love this. Yeah, I'm like, I needed to come back to do this bit because wow, you needed to see this, guys. Agree.